Here we are again with another video, guys. Today I'm gonna do a how-to on latches. In my last video, I had to take off my piece of plywood for my deck. That's too much trouble out on the water. So today I'm gonna put some latches, 2 latches, matter of fact. I'm gonna put 2 latches today. This is my way of doing it. Like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Your first time, hit that subscribe button. I already took the time to measure out both latches for the sake of the video. Let's get to it. All right, now that we're back inside, you can see we got 2 perfect cuts, exactly where I wanted them. I put all my stuff in there. As you can see, I can pull this out like it's nothing. My little phone in my backpack. My battery. I don't have a box for my battery yet. I need to get one of those. So yeah, let's start putting on the latch. That happened before. So that's the first time that's ever happened to me. A screw cut me. I guess there's a first for everything. Just one latch in. I'm gonna install this for my handle. I'll put it right here with a piece of rope. Boom, boom. Call it a day. All right, guys, there's one fully functional latch. So there you have it, folks. 2 latches, fully functional. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. Bam. This is my how-to. I'm making 2 latches. As you see, I put 2 pieces of planks underneath so it could support, so it doesn't just fall through. I also did that over here, but I'll leave that over here on the front lip. So that's it, guys. There we have my how-to of making some latches for your Jon boat. Next video, I promise I'll be out on the water or land. Either way, I'll be out there fishing. All right, so that's it, guys. As you can tell, I'm all sweaty and nasty. I'm about to go inside, take a shower. I got a hot date tonight with my wife. All right,